you doing over there?
He's supposed to cook the food.
Come over here. Come.
Okay. Here, you can have the.
Peekaboo.
Just the fork over here.
Peekaboo.
Kiki. Oh, Kiki.
Peekaboo.
Kiko. Kiko. Kiko? I mean Chico.
Peekaboo.
Chico, the puppet name. You know?
Peekaboo.
Matters, guys. Cookie Monster hasn't cooked the food. Put it at the table, baby.
Peekaboo.
Oh, sorry. And Monkey is going to... Where's Fluffy's mouth? There. Here it is. Here he is. He puts it. And Manners.
Nelly, give me the wipes right there.
I'm going to Fluffy Daddy.
Why is it open? Hey, why are you crying?
Because Troy took my green ball. It's his.
Oh.
He's silly boy.
Just play something else. Drive the car.
Hey guys, let's go drive the car. Go drive the car. Drive the car. Here, Troy. Here. Let's go drive the car. I want the fork back.
Just take one.
I took one. Where's Fluffy? Where's Fluffy? Where's Fluffy? I got Fluffy. Ah, Fluffy! Little Fluffy! Ouchie. You're supposed to carry some animals, baby. Carry this animal. She's a rabbit. I don't want to carry a rabbit. She's a rabbit. I don't want to carry that rabbit. Where's the... Troy took Fluffy.
Nelly, give him one so he can stop taking baby's Fluffy. I mean Fluffy. Troy. Troy, leave baby alone. Look, Troy's picking on Fight too. Just get away from him. Come on this side. What did he do? He scratched you?
Yeah, he just scratched me.
Where? Let me see. Oh my gosh, he did scratch you. Troy! Hey! Leave baby alone. Hey! He always picks on her. Quiet. You can whisper. You don't have to be so loud. Oh.
Let's take him first. Let's drive. Drive first. We're going to the beach.
Hi, Shay.
I see. I did.
What is that?
Here.
Good job. Good job. Clap your hands. Happy, happy home. Jesus in the family. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home.
Here he is. No, he can't. He can't.
No, go away from here.
I would raise him.
Go that way. Go play with the girls. Here, look. Uh-oh. Get the egg. Go get the egg.
What egg?
Over there. Baby, over there. You kicked it over there. Baby, over there. Over there, baby. Over there. The orange one. Baby Troy's toy.
I will sit here.
Okay. Fix your hair. Put it behind your ear, like that.
Like this?
Like this. The hair, right here. It's not bothering your face?
Yeah, it is bothering me.
Yeah, see? Okay. Hi.
Hi, Isadora.
Hi, baby.
Can I be in the video?
You are. Where's baby Choi?
Over there.
Choi.
Box.
Peekaboo. Oh, he's playing with the laundry. Peekaboo.
Baby, we're supposed to drive the car.
Bye-bye. Hi, Namin. Bye-bye, Namin.